up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be going to part 2 of my wig making 101 series. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over the difference between a closure, a frontal, and a U-part wig. So if that is something that interests you and you would like to see this video, stay tuned. So what's the difference between a frontal, a closure, and a U-part wig? So I'm going to start with the easiest, the U-part wig. So the U-part wig is essentially a wig that leaves a U shape out for your real hair to cover over the wig. So it's essentially just like your sew-ins. Y'all know the traditional sew-ins we used to get back in the day. If y'all still get sew-ins, let me know that down in the comment section, because I swear I feel like girls don't even get sew-ins nowadays. But just like a sew-in, you're just going to sew your wig and leave out a little portion right here in the form of a U when you're making the wig, which I will be showing you in a later video. So definitely don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming uploads. All right, y'all, so moving on to the closure. So this is what the average closure is going to look like when you get it. So a closure is just a portion of hair that mimics the scalp. For the average size is 4x4, so that's essentially 4 inches across and 4 inches down. So the object of a closure is to give you the scalp-like illusion in a portion of your hair. So when a closure is placed on a wig cap, it looks like this. Boom. So with that, the object of a closure is either to go in the middle or to the side. Of course, it's only 4 inches across and 4 inches back, so you have to keep in mind where you want your main part to be. So this is what a closure looks like when you put it on a wig block head. And with the closures, you can part them any way. Closure is, like I said, 4x4. The closures do come in different size, 5x5s. Y'all, I've even seen 6x6, and recently even a 7x7, which is a frontal. Essentially, almost a frontal. So so the object of the closure is just to have the free illusion looking parting on either the middle, the side, or if you place it, you can have a middle and a side part. So that is your closure. Next we have the frontal. So the frontal is the craze right now. It's what all the girls are doing. It's life because it gives the most realistic illusion, the most versatile of the two U parts as well as the closure wig. The frontal is such a high commodity right now because of its versatility. Now, let me tell y'all something about the frontal.
Frontal is high maintenance, lady.
Frontals are high maintenance. If you're getting an install for a frontal, a wig, it's a high maintenance hairstyle. Definitely be cautious when you're buying a frontal because it definitely takes a lot of up. The average frontal is 13 by 4 inches, which means it's 13 inches across, and then it's 4 inches of parting space going back. Now for some, 4 inches may be a lot, but let me show y'all what it looks like on a wig blockhead. So this is what your frontal is gonna look like on your wig blockhead. So the frontal is going to give you the most realistic illusion for the hairline. Honestly, my favorite, if I had to choose one, is definitely the closure. And the reason I say that is because I feel like I can change up my hairstyle, part on the side, part in the middle, with my different wigs, and I can still give the illusion that I have on a frontal. So the frontal to me is just so much work, but it can be done. And I'm gonna show y'all that in a future video, so definitely subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, so now we're gonna go over just how many bundles you need for each of these wigs. So now, these are going to be recommendations, love. Recommendations, that's it. Now, I'm not saying what I say goes. If you like a lot of hair, you like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bundles, by all means. If you can get you a hairstylist, or even if you can fit all of that hair on a wig, do it. If it's a 13 by 4 frontal, I can get away with 2 bundles. Yes, I said it, ladies, 2 bundles. And the reason I say that is it depends on the length. So normally you can get away with up to about 20 inches, maybe even 22. You can get away with 2 bundles. When you start going past 22 inches, of course the bundles are thinner, and then of course it's less hair on the bundles, and you don't want it to look too thin. So if you're going to go past, just to be on the safe side, if you're gonna go past 20 inches, then definitely grab another bundle if you're doing a frontal. For the frontal, you can use 2 bundles and make a wig. All right, so for my closure ladies. So for the closure, to me, I feel like I'm safe with 3 bundles. So, and that's for my straight hair, that's for my curly hair, for my wavy hair. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, then definitely follow me on Instagram, because I do post a lot on my stories, and I showed y'all a wig this past week that I made with 3 bundles and a closure, and I'm gonna insert a picture here. And so that just goes to show that 3 bundles is not too much, and it's curly hair. So you know the curly hair is thicker than like your straight hair or your body wave hair. So you can get away with 3 bundles and a closure and be on the safe side. So moving on to your U part. Your U part is like your sew-in. So you could get away with 3 bundles, to me. I mean, I know some girls that can get away with 2 bundles, but me, I love big hair, always love big hair. Even with my taper cut, y'all see the girl got volume. I love volume. That's me, that's life. I like 3 bundles. It's 3 bundles or nothing. So 3 bundles or more. Just depends on the hair, honestly. So in this video, we talked about the U part, the closure, lace closure, as well as the lace frontal. We talked about the differences between the 3, as well as how many bundles you're gonna need when you are making your wig. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for my future videos, especially in this series, because they're gonna be good. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.